Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about what was happening in court earlier in the morning before everything went down the hill. Okay, so Ramasipile started with opening he opened with going back. I guess he did fact checking, and he saw Kuti the assertion that Baloyi was trying to put as truth or gospel truth was not correct. So they were going through that. And what was happening, then they ended up going through Brigadier Gininda's testimony that was read on record. So what was happening there, we'll go through it bit by bit. Okay, let me get through to what first happened after we spoke about the red golf. So the defense lawyer got up and said, I think this issue can now be that was messy, fully addressed, my lord. That state has the records, they have printed them, and the information is ready. That is what needs to be placed on record. That was messy. And then my lord was like, thank you, yes, thank you. Ubaloyi got up and read, my lord, we maintain that the portion Mr. Ramasipile is referring to is the same portion we read into record yesterday, where Brigadier Gininda testified that he, as the commander, issued a red golf to Sergeant Mukhola. It is on the same page. And then my lord was like, okay. And then he continued to say, Ubaloyi, what we have here is the same information we placed on record yesterday, 29 November 2023, page 3. We'll read the entire page beginning on page 2. And then this is what he said, Brigadier Gininda's testimony, page 2, line 23. My lord, that is not true. I want to answer from the 19th, moving backward on 19th, June 2020, it is incorrect that there was such an incident because Sergeant Mukhola was taking accused one to court for a DRUG-related matter. That morning, she booked the accused from Valeria to Tembisa Court, and he was returned later the same day. The defense is in possession of the entry books confirming this. On that day, she was not issued with a BMW. She was driving a red VW GTI, which has been issued by me as and then that was something that Gininda was saying, which was issued to me by me as her commander for her utilization. Furthermore, I was not with her on that day. That was Gininda. And then defense lawyers now challenged the interpretation. My lord, why must this be? Because Ubaloyi ended up saying that this could be interpreted in whatever way, blah, blah, blah. And Mnisi was like, my lord, why must this be interpreted? The record is clear. It states that on that day, the 19th of June, she used the red Golf GTI to transport accused number 1. There is nothing ambiguous about that. So why is Baloyi asking for interpretations? And then the judge intervened, requested missing evidence to align, I would say. And then he says, what is important for me is the evidence of Mukhola herself, where she said the vehicle was involved in an accident in Musina and was a write-off. I want that page. And I was like, why is that new that it was a write-off? Okay. And then because now we have a brigadier saying she drove the red GTI on the 19th of June, but the driver, Mukhola, saying the car was written off. We must get that portion. So that was Judge Rata. State provided additional transcript 22nd November 2023, page 26. My estate was reading, my lord, the page shows that on the 18th of June, they were using a white Golf investigating in Carltonville. So she could not have used the red Golf on the 19th of June. We will place the full record again. And then he started reading the script, Sergeant Mukhola driver testimony. 22nd November 2023, page 26, line 20 onwards. Mr. Mngomezulu, when was the last time you saw accused number 2 after the event? Witness, Sergeant Mukhola. The following day, my lord, 18th June in Carltonville. Mr. Mngomezulu, on the 18th of June, was that the only time you saw him? Witness, yes, my lord, I did not see him again on the 18th. Mr. Mngomezulu, were you driving a motor vehicle that day? Witness, that is correct, my lord. Mr. Mngomezulu, what car was it? Witness, a Golf 7, my lord. Mr. Mngomezulu, what color? Witness, white, my lord. Mngomezulu, do you recall the registration? Witness, no, my lord. So what does this show? Number 1, Mukhola says on the 18th of June, she drove a white Golf 7, not a red GTI, and this is the same week in question. Secondly, Gininda says on the 19th of June, just one day later, Mukhola drove a red VW GTI and it was issued by him as a commander. Number three, Mukhola elsewhere also says the red Golf was involved in an accident in Musina and was written off, according to Judge Rata. This is directly contradicting Gininda's claim that she used that red Golf after alleged accident date. Number four, the judge sees the conflict clearly, whether he likes it or not. He specifically requests the page showing the red Golf was written off, the date of the accident to compare against Gininda 19 June red GTI's version. Okay, so let's talk about the contradictions now, because let's structure the contradictions created by the state in this entire situation. Date conflicts. Accident allegedly before 19 June. Gininda says car used on the 19th June. Mukhola says white car used on the 18th June. Other evidence says red car written off. Secondly, vehicle color or model confusion. Red VW GTI, red VW Polo, white VW Golf 7. This inconsistency strongly undermines reliability. And then the third thing, the narrative collapses. If the red GTI was not available, written off, not driven that week, then the entire arrest and transport narrative given by Gininda collapses. Do you guys understand what is happening here? The entire discrepancy of the red Golf is crumbling with that timeline. That's what we are dealing with here. In the heart of the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial, a single car, a red VW Golf, has become a center of a storm that threatens to tear apart the state's entire narrative. For years, the storyline seemed fixed. Police had given their version. The prosecution had repeated it. The timeline had been sold as solid, unshakable. But now, the courtroom is discovering something very different. The state insists the red Golf was used 19 June 2020. The defense flips the script, flips to the script. Gininda's words are clear. She was driving a red VW GTI issued by me, used to transport accused number one. That's a definitive claim, a precise date spoken under oath. But another voice rises from the record. The driver of the vehicle herself, Sergeant Mukhola, she tells a different story. Under pressure, she reveals on the 18th of June, she drove a white Golf 7, not red, not GTI, not the vehicle Gininda described. And even more devastating, she previously testified that the red Golf had been in an accident in Musina, a crash so severe and the vehicle was written off, rendered unusable, finished. So something is going on there, whatever it is. Defense counsel then gets up and say, they are pressing forward and say, which was Mnisi, what must be interpreted in there? The record is clear, my lord. On that day, she drove the red GTI to court. That is what Brigadier Gininda said. And that brought tensions into the courtroom. Everyone felt it. The two stories cannot be both true. Something is not right. One thing that I saw that Judge Rata in that moment, he intervened calmly. He measured the stakes but unmistakably consent, because things are not looking good for his so favorite person. He asked for the exact page where Mukhola said the red Golf was written off. He wanted the date, he wanted the truth, but because the state's evidence is moving on opposite directions, one witness claiming the car existed, another insisting it was gone, destroyed. So I don't know how they think they are going to get out of this one. This is no longer about a vehicle. It's about credibility, about integrity, about whether key investigators reconstructed events or simply invented them. When the basic facts, the color of a car, the model, the date cannot align, the entire timeline begins to collapse piece by piece, contradiction by contradiction. In this case, already defined by coerced statements, missing records and shifting testimony, the red Golf now stands as a symbol of something far larger, a state's version that may not have been built on truth, but on convenience. And as the judge prepares to revisit every page, every date, every inconsistent word, one question grows louder. If the vehicle did not exist on the 19th of June 2020, what else is the state story in the state story that never existed at all? That is what we are dealing with here. I don't know about you, but all I can sense is that things are not looking good for the state. And all of this is being brought back from 2023 to 2025 because Gwabini was talking about his arrest. Don't forget that. Let it sink in. We are going there. Thank you so much. I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.